Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the market and specifically talking about Cardano ADA. Right now we see about a 0.4% increase in the last 24 hours across the entire crypto space. Cardano specifically seeing about a 0.25% increase, up to about 56 cents. So if we jump over to CoinMarketCap, you can see in the last 7 days, Cardano has done insanely well, a 19.62% increase altogether. I want to talk about as to why that is and as to where we're going with Cardano ADA, as a lot of people, like I said, are looking forward to where Cardano could be headed. It's definitely one of those altcoins, or really one of the biggest coins in the space, that people are excited about its future. So let's take a look. Couple different tweets. The first one talking about 100% uptime, $0 hacked, $1 transaction. So you're actually seeing below that $1 transaction. We're also seeing non-custodian staking, over 75% staked, 5 million native assets, 3 million wallets, 3,000 stake pools, and several seamless on-time hard forks a year. The community growing in a bear market, and it's backed by science. So there you have it. Cardano has many things going for it. And you can see in this tweet why people are excited about the future of Cardano. We have way more tweets and kind of articles to jump into that kind of explain where Cardano is headed. We have next Sobazer. So Cardano is the third in NFT volume, 1.21 million in 24 hours versus 1.07 million for Immutable X. So we're seeing Immutable X actually listed on Crypto Slamio, and we actually are not seeing Cardano yet. So that's going to be a huge listing when we do see Cardano listed on Crypto Slamio. But I want to talk a little bit more about a few different tweets. So we have this one as well by Ada Ape. Big money is rotating out of ETH, Solana, and into ADA. So we're seeing ETH and Solana not really be the big game changers that they once were in the crypto space. ADA is taking a lot of the money in these projects and dragging it over to their own project. The rate of reallocation favors Cardano. It's faster in percentage and absolute terms than any other chain. If the trend continues, it will overtake Ethereum by the next survey. People are waking up. So here we have, which digital assets are you invested into is the question. And I'm going to give you guys kind of the chart here. You can see that Cardano is continually kind of growing toward the good side. And I want to say we are seeing a very, very big increase from its previous survey, which was about let's go with like 6 or 7%, and now seeing about a 14%, so almost doubling since the last survey. So we're definitely seeing a nice trend out of ADA, and with that trend, you can always suggest that the crypto community is always going to continue to grow, but we are going to be able to see Cardano growing with it, and that's something you definitely like to see as well. So the next up, we have AMB Crypto with Cardano has these two strong levels where a bullish reaction can be expected. So here we see the 8 to 1 hour chart. Cardano actually broke above that 0.6 resistance level a few days ago to rise up to 0.689 highs. In doing so, it established a short-term bullish market structure, as the previous lower high was 56 cents and was broken. So we're actually seeing some new movement in Cardano's price charts, and it should be fairly obvious that we've had that, as if we take a look at the last 7 days, like I said, we've gone up a very, very, really solid 19 to 20%. So down from 47, or down at 47 cents 1 week ago, and now we're seeing 56 cents now, and we actually saw prices, like we said, up to about 68, 69 cents earlier in the week, or really the last day of the month of last month, that is. I do want to jump, though, into one more article. So before we talk about the price predictions I have and where I think Cardano's headed by the end of this year, next year, we have this article to kind of jump into. Cardano records 369% year-to-date increase in daily on-chain transfer volumes. So Cardano saw a rise in on-chain volumes of 369% year-to-date against backdrop of other blockchains. Cardano's doing a lot of great things right, and you can see here with Charles Hoskinson, he says, Happy McLovin Day, and he has some charts. So let's jump into these charts and kind of see what we're looking at. So the first thing we're going to see here is in the top left. It's going to talk about Figure 3 daily on-chain transfer volume and the 7-day moving average. So you can actually see here, Yellow is BTC, blue is ADA, and black is ETH. We aren't going to really focus in on DOT or Doge or Algo, but you can see where ADA is actually trending very, very high, and we can see the daily on-chain volume as well, year-to-date, a 369% increase, while everyone else is seeing negative in reds. So just absolutely huge kind of growth that we're seeing out of Cardano yet again. If you guys have any questions, like I said, comments, concerns, or want to learn more about cryptocurrency in general, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on to stay up to date with all things crypto. The first thing we're going to jump into now is going to be the actual price of Cardano. So we see about 56 cents right now. I'm going to give it a quick refresh. Still 56 cents, 0.28. We are actually seeing some nice, like I said, most recent in this last, I don't know, 2 hours, 3 hours, we saw a nice little increase here from 0.5577 to a 0.5639. So it's up about a penny in the last hour alone. And we're going to continue to see this kind of movement, in my opinion. It's going to be up to the market to kind of remain stable around that $29,000 to $32,000 mark. But if we do remain stable, Cardano could see another 5 to 6 to 7% increase well within this next 24-hour period. Another thing to watch out for, though, I think Cardano is going to be one of the big players in the next bull run. And that obviously means dollar cost averaging in at these low price points is a very, very big play. Make sure to take advantage of the passive income. Stake your Cardano at 56 cents. Just imagine if we go to, even $5, $6 in the next bull run, you're going to be making quite a bit of money. And definitely if you add on to that with your passive rewards as well. So right now at $19 billion in market cap, this is definitely a coin to watch out for. I kind of want to continue to keep you guys up to date with Cardano as well as so many other altcoins, as there's a lot of great ones in the space. So if you haven't already, like I said, I'll say it again, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. If you go over to Twitter as well, Crypto Profit YT on Twitter, we're going to keep you guys up to date with all things crypto on Twitter as well. Another thing to kind of note, the internet may be just a passing. Fad has millions gave up on it. So this is huge as well. So we are actually seeing this has happened before with crypto being kind of just a fad that people have given up on. That's not really the case. And you can see Bitcoin Magazine post a lot of great stuff every day. They actually talked, like I said, about how the internet was mentioned as the same regards to crypto. So if that's any kind of indicator where we could be at with crypto, we have a nice couple of years ahead. And I do want to say there's a lot of potential in the coin Cardano specifically. We've talked about a lot of different cryptocurrencies in the past, whether it's Cardano, whether it's Chainlink, Solana, whether it's Polkadot. We've talked about them. And there's reasons to believe that these coins will actually do very, very well in the next bull market. We've seen it before, and we'll probably continue to see it during bull markets. And obviously right now the markets are down. So continue to stay up to date, and we'll keep you guys through the next bull as well as bear. So thanks again, guys. I'll see you all in the next one.